Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And the question I got today about what is happening and is there at all something that will ever happen called Windows 12? I get that question from time to time lately. I've been waiting to talk about it a little bit to kind of, leave a little time behind. See if we, get anything new or any hints of anything. Of course, nope, no hints. We all know that the big version this year is 24H2 for Windows 11. It's another Windows 11. But, there are things that kind of are interesting. Next year will be, of course, the end of support for Windows 10. Officially, there will be an paid extension available, but we still don't know the pricing for consumers. We know the pricing, but only for business right now. Would the fact that Windows 10 be end of support be a good time to release a new version of Windows? Definitely. That could be a good time. A Windows 12 could be something. We're in a cycle where it's very interesting because we see Windows 10 so high in market share. Windows 11 has a hard time gaining momentum. And we always have seen that pretty much over years that there's always that version of Windows everybody adopts and the version of Windows everybody jumps over. And it's kind of been like that all the time. We've seen that Windows 98, people jumped over Millennium to XP. And from Windows XP, they jumped over Vista to Windows 7. And Windows 7, they jumped over Windows 8 to go to 10. So 10 means they would jump over Windows 11 to go to 12, technically. So 12 would be the big winner, the next winner of Windows. But we have no idea, as of what this could happen, even if it's called Windows 12. And will it be there? Will there be a Windows 12 either next year or in some near future? I think there will be a new version of Windows, definitely. I have a hard time thinking that it won't happen. There's been a lot of screenshots of all sorts of things that we have seen over time that show new experimental desktops and the way that they look and floating windows and stuff. And, could that be part of what Windows 12 will be eventually? Is there a big change in interface? It's possible. Now that we're going very heavily towards AI, what I think could happen with Windows 12 is that there might be waiting and working on it internally somehow and increasing the AI output from Windows with Windows 12. And that could actually do a little something that a lot of people, aren't happy with already. Push the minimum requirements of Windows to a much higher level. For example, a PC with an NPU that would be able to use AI functionalities. So this is going to be interesting to see what's going to happen with that. But, these are speculations. I think for now the focus is 24H2. We'll see what happens with this version. It's interesting to note there seems to be a lot more happening on the ARM side of things and with Windows 11 24H2 and much less with people that are regular PCs. So that's going to be something to look at also as we go towards, the second half of the year soon. This is going to be very interesting to look at and see what exactly will each version, both the ARM version and the standard Windows Intel or, x64 version will do. So we'll see what the future brings as time goes by. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.